To connect an American Express gift card to Apple Wallet, start by making sure your device is compatible with Apple Wallet and that you have the latest version of iOS installed. Open the Wallet app on your device. Then tap the plus sign in the top right corner to begin the process of adding a new card. Next, select credit or debit card and choose American Express as the card type. You will then be prompted to take a photo of your American Express gift card or manually enter the card details. If you choose to take a photo, ensure the card is clearly visible and the camera can read the card number and expiration date. If you prefer to manually enter the details, you will need to provide the card number, expiration date, and security code. The security code is a 4-digit number located on the front of the card. Once you have entered the required information, tap Next to proceed. You will then be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of using your American Express gift card with Apple Wallet. Read through the terms carefully and tap Agree to continue. Your card will then be verified, which may involve receiving a text message or phone call from American Express to confirm your identity. Once your card has been verified, you will receive a confirmation message and your American Express gift card will be added to your Apple Wallet. You can now use your gift card to make purchases with Apple Pay, either online or in-store. To use your American Express gift card with Apple Pay, simply open the Wallet app, select your gift card, and authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You can also use your gift card to make purchases online by selecting Apple Pay as the payment method and choosing your gift card as the payment source. It is essential to note that you should always keep your device and Apple Wallet secure to prevent unauthorized access to your gift card. You should also regularly check your gift card balance to ensure you have sufficient funds to make purchases. By following these steps, you can easily connect your American Express gift card to Apple Wallet and start making convenient and secure transactions.